Have you ever felt frustrated waiting for a file to upload, especially when it takes several minutes? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to create a dynamic progress bar for your Google App Engine application. I completely understand how important it is to keep users informed during long uploads. A progress bar not only enhances user experience, but also provides reassurance that the upload is in progress. You're definitely not alone in wanting to implement this feature. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a dynamic progress bar that reflects the upload progress in their Google App Engine application. They mentioned that while the progress bar works with random numbers, they struggle to get real-time updates from their Python script. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the challenge here? The user has a for loop in their Python script that processes uploads, but they need to send the current progress back to the front end in real time. This is a common issue when working with asynchronous operations in web applications. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you optimize your progress bar even further. To begin solving this issue, the user needs to modify the JavaScript function that updates the progress bar. Instead of using a random number, we will fetch the actual progress from the server using an AJAX call. Next, the user should ensure that the server-side code correctly responds with the current progress. This means adjusting the Python handler to return the progress after each activity. Now, the user needs to ensure that the HTML page is set up to handle the progress bar correctly. This includes ensuring that the progress bar is visible and styled properly. Finally, the user should test the application sure that the progress bar updates correctly as the upload progresses. This can be done by uploading a file and observing the progress. Fun fact, did you know that the first progress bars were just simple text indicators? We've come a long way since then, and now we can create dynamic, visually appealing progress bars with just a bit of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to store the progress of your activities outside of the function. You could use a caching solution like Memcached or Redis, along with a timestamp to retrieve and manage the progress. Another option is to make your task asynchronous using a tool like Celery, although this may not be feasible on Google App Engine. Here's the pro tip I promised. Consider implementing WebSockets for real-time updates. This can provide a smoother experience for users, as they won't have to wait for periodic polling to see their progress. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your progress bar should now reflect the actual upload progress. Remember, keeping users informed is key to a great user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.